Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while since the last I took the last video. Alright, I've been busy lately. Alright, okay. Anyway, I need to cook, I'm going to cook bloody Sriracha Chicken. It's very easy and it's very yummy. So, I need 2 kilos of chicken. I use chicken thighs, possibly spatch cooked chicken, the whole chicken. But I'm going to use the chicken thigh. We need 5 limes. I need sriracha. This is 12 tablespoons of sriracha. This one is 200 ml of double concentrated tomato puree, garlic pepper, celery salt, and we need curry powder, and I need garlic oil. Okay, we're going to mix all the ingredients aside. Eto lang ang hindi natin i-mix, yung celery salt. So lahat natin mix natin yung olive oil, garlic oil. We need 8 of this. 2, 3, 8 tablespoons of garlic oil. Lime. This is 5 limes. Sriracha. Why I use a small spoon? This is 12 tablespoons of sriracha. $200 ml of double concentrated tomato puree, garlic pepper, that is 2 tablespoons, and the curry powder. This is 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Mix it properly, please. So, haluin lang natin ng mabuti. Just make sure, please, na nahalo lang natin na-mix lang natin ng maigi. This is really super easy. Habang prepare nyo to, painit nyo na yung oven nyo for 180 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Pag nahalo nyo na, guys, this is 2 kilos of chicken thighs. Pag nahalo nyo na, igit nyo na dyan. Tapos ilagay nyo na dyan. Tapos pag may if you have a leftover, habang niluluto nyo siya, pwede nyo siyang paglalagyan ng brush. Pero ako minsan hindi ko na siya binabrush. Diretso ko na siya. Tapos, ilalagay na natin yung celery. salt. Ready na siya sa oven. Let's put in the oven. Ayan na siya. Lalagay na natin, pinapainit ko muna yung oven. So, lalagay natin siya in a while in the oven. Pwede nyo siya i-marinate for 1 hour bago nyo siya ilagay sa oven. Pero ako, nagmamadali na ako kasi gutom na yung mga anak. So, let's put in a bit in the oven. Okay, let's put the chicken in the oven. Okay, this is 180 degrees for 1 hour and a half. Babalikan natin mamaya. So we put already the bloody Sriracha Chicken in the oven. So while we're waiting for that, we have to make the coriander chili potato. So this is 2 kilos of potato. I peel it, wash, and cut into cubes. So we need onion, fresh coriander, garlic, red chili, salt, cumin, coriander, and vegetable oil. Okay. Well, boiling already water in here. This is already, all we have to do is to blanch the potato to make it a little bit soft. So let's add salt in boiling water. So all we have to do is to blanch our potato. Oh. This might take to 15 minutes. Okay, let's wait 15 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting for boil the potato, we're going to fry the onion, the garlic, and the chili. Let's put vegetables oil. You can use vegetable, you can use sunflower oil. Let's put the onion. Let's add the red chili. Little bit of garlic. Let's add ground cumin. 2 teaspoons. Coriander. 3 teaspoons. Add a little bit of salt. Ready na to. So, fry natin dito. We're going to fry the potato here. I think that one is ready. That's ready. My husband cannot wait for this potato and the chicken. Alright, so here's now the potato. All we have to do is a little bit fry it in the frying pan. So we fry it. So we fry it in here in the fry pan, but we're not going to finish it here. We're gonna finish it cooking in the oven to make it crispy. The potato. I'm just gonna fry it in the two batch. Because it won't fit in my frying pan. I'm going to ask my husband to get me a little bit bigger of my frying pan. It's quite small. Okay. Are you watching?
Would you please hurry up, Lola? I'm very hungry. Chop chop, Lola.
I know. Mama's food is very yummy. Very yummy.
I know it's yummy, but I'm starving, Lola. Could you please hurry up so I can eat my dinner finally? Thank you.
We have this, a tray, so we can move it into. Okay, let's change. Let's. The second batch. Let's cook them all together. When you put in the oven, don't put the onion first. Just put it in halfway through. Pag malapit na maluto yung... Anyway, the potato is already cooked, but all we have to do is make it crispy. Pero pag naananan nyo na, see the potato is almost done, then you can add the onion, then mix it up. I'll show you later. My husband keep coming back in here, keep checking the deal. Let's add a little bit of oil. Okay, let's put it on. No, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, here's the potato. The onion, don't put it first. Don't put it yet. We have to add the garlic. The coriander is later, yes? Put the coriander later. Let's put in the oven. Oh. 180 for 30 minutes to make it crispy. Only 30 minutes. 10. Wow, perfect. That's good. Let's switch it off. Okay, let's wait for the potato, roast potato, coriander potato, so we're gonna serve it. Alright, let's check the potato. Oh, it's ready. Let's get the potato. So here's our potato. So our potato is this good. This is a fresh coriander. Now, it's ready to dig in. Let's dig in. So, here's the coriander chili potato and the bloody sriracha chicken. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.